The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning.
Failed. Order canceled.
Hang on one second, guys.
Order canceled.
Let me just check one thing here, fellas. All right. Guys, good morning. Happy St. Patrick's Day, fellas. Today, of course, is Eric. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Today, of course, is March 17th, Monday. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. We do have some trials that are beginning today. And if you guys are here in the room, good morning and welcome to the room. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just getting, who's that? I'm just fixing a couple of things here. I'll fix them after. Hope everybody had a terrific weekend. Naturally, whenever I miss a session, the market is up or down 400 points, which was the case, of course, on Friday. I'll show you the chart, which is a chart I've been showing you guys for quite some time. We finally broke out of that wedge. Good morning, Michael. Before anybody asks, I have not rolled over. I know today is the first day of rollover.
Order submitted.
I have not rolled yet. The volume is still, of course, in the March contract. Okay?
Order filled.
In any event, hope everyone had a great weekend. I am anticipating that we are still going to go up. We do have FOMC begins tomorrow, and FOMC announcement on Wednesday. Today we have retail sales at 8:30. I will not be doing any trades, of course, before 8:30. Yeah, there was Barry. Yeah, so let me segue here. There was an issue with Apex and Rhythmic Data. I attempted to place a trade, actually two trades, and neither of them fired. They gave me an orange flag, and then the gold short, which I took, did fire, but 5 minutes later. I do think I did. Let's see here. Yeah. All right, you are able to connect now. So it appears that they are aware of it and that it may be resolved. In any event, if you guys are starting your trial today, I had a few trials come in on Friday that obviously are beginning today. If you folks are beginning your trials today, I have a fairly set routine, which is every day I actually read the disclaimer, which I'll do momentarily. I then go through charts, what I'm seeing at the moment and what could happen. And then I'll talk to you trials. You can't connect to Buellnox this morning. I was connected. No, I'm connected. But I connected at 5:30 this morning. And then I'll go over the room and what you're going to see in the room. Okay? So we're going to have kind of a slow morning till at least 8:30 when we get retail sales out of the way. So let me read the disclaimer. And by the way, on Thursday, I interviewed Chuck, who has had terrific success with payouts, and I'll convert that recording. I'll send it to Sean, and I'll put it in the member area for you guys. But I'll cover some of the high points of the conversation while we're waiting for retail sales. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk.
Prime Minister going to get the data for US retail sales.
Holding
Forecast
some
month to
hourly
month, 0.6%
support.
prior, minus 0.9%. Core retail sales month to month forecast 0.3% prior, minus 0.4%. And
Order
the Neofen
submitted.
manufacturing forecast minus 1.9% prior, 5.7%. And retail sales year on year prior 4.2%.
Looks like it's going to bounce a bit. Anybody else having an issue connecting to Buell Knox? Anybody? Yeah. I mean, I'm connected, but I connected this morning first thing. So it must be a rhythmic issue. Hang on, guys. As I see it on the chart, this is going to have to get through 97.3 to get that first target. Whether it can or cannot, I do not know. But we're starting to get a pullback. Now, what I'm looking at on the NASDAQ is this could bust out. Let me move this. This could break down. We have our imbalance here. This could break down to 686. All right, guys, on that note, it's my breakfast time. I haven't seen or heard from Greg, so I'll be back in 20 minutes. I'm just going to get breakfast real quick, and we'll get back at target one hit. For those of you guys here on trial, my daily goal is $1,000. I get 1,000 or over.
Order
Seeing
filled.
some US quantum computing
It's
stocks
over.
climb. Quantum
I shut it
Corporation
off.
9.2%. Quantum computing up 11.8%. And D-Wave Quantum up 3.6%.
There's the
filled.
breakout. This should now go. This should go. So we've got $500 on 2 targets plus the runner. If this gets that last target, guys, right now you'd be up 600 on any pullback, right? Because we've got 10 twice and a 20. So you got 400, 500, $600 plus the trail. If this gets to target, it's done for the day. If you guys are here to see the bot, here she is. You're now at $900. One more candle, and that would probably give us the $1,000. If it gets that final target, then now you're over 1,000. So one and done. One and done. For me, if you guys want to continue to run it, have at it. One and done. Got a $1,000 runner. Meanwhile, the gold bot is just chunking around, which I expect it will until Wednesday. Got a lower high unless this pushes through that 13. Going to get trades on the algos 3, 1, 2, and 3 above 14 at the day high.
Order
There it is, guys.
canceled.
So it auto shut off because it's hit my
Order canceled.
daily goal. Okay.
Order canceled.
So we're getting some targets here on the algos 3, 1. Shit. This hit target 1 and pulled back. This hit target 1 and pulled back. So nothing trade. And here is algo 3.2. Morning, Kit. Yeah, we're going to 870. Come on, get that target. Ah, you rat bag. They're still buying them, fellas.
Order canceled.
There it is. Target 1 hit, auto trails.
Order
That's it.
canceled.
470. Okay, we can live with that. The freak is stopping it here? There's nothing there. It should get to 7/4. Sellers back in. That's it. I've had enough of this fun. Let's go. Come on, push.
So the EU are to launch an investigation on possible safeguard measures to counter US tariffs according to a draft plan. This is similar to what we heard in the FT piece earlier. This is coming officially from a draft plan now. As again, the EU are to launch an investigation on possible safeguard measures to counter US tariffs.
Double topped here. It's got to push.
Order filled.
There we go. Good Lord.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order submitted.
Anybody holding? Got to get through that prior swing here at 19. Anybody long still? Got to get through 19, guys. Okay. We can get through 19. I think we can go back up into the high of the day. And I now have an 863 target.
Order submitted.
So that's it for me. Break even or 63. Trade them as you see fit if you have any runners left. Got to get above that 19 half. That's the key. Don't you pull back.
Order filled.
All right, flat.
Order canceled.
Guys, give me 1 minute. All right, I'm back, fellas. There we go.
Order canceled.
All three targets hit, guys, on this push.
According to CCTV, Chinese Commerce Minister
It's done for the day for
to
me.
support export companies.
Daily goal is in. I'm going to have a short. Now, on the 1 minute, we broke this. I got to close below that 64, and I'll short the 1 minute on the candle close, which is in 22 seconds. I'm going to use an ATM on this. Next candle in 2 seconds, 1 second.
Order filled. Target filled.
There's target 1 off. Let's see if we can't get that damn 09 this time. Should come to 21 if you guys want to fire, try a 23 area. You should get 21. But if that 21 breaks, you get that 09 that we tried to get in the previous short. Trade runners as you see fit. If you guys want to take profits, take them. I try to hold for target, but again, if you guys want risk off, take risk off. Negative delta now at 260. Come on, big guy. Come on, big fella. 318, 322, some buyers showing up. I think we come down to 05. Guys, 23 would have been target. I'm going to shoot for that 0975.
AMD shares rising 4.9%.
Trade them as you see fit. 21 has to break, and I think we get that last target at 910 area. Otherwise, they're buying some back here on this downstroke. They're buying some back. 15-minute swing low is 21. That has to break. We're at 260 now, 250 on the net negative. Sellers are pressing, but you got $600 on a runner if you want it. I'm not telling anybody how to trade. I'm just, don't be greedy. There we go. Bye. We came to that 21. So I'd have had that target. Now I'm trying to get that target I wanted the last time down at 09. But I will not hold it on much of a reversal. This has to break. Back to 318-ish, 340 now, and 400. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Give us the enchilada, baby. Holding this damn 78% area. Let's go. Give us the truck. Come on, the whole bag. Let's go. 380.
Target filled.
Booyah. Target filled, fellas. Boo freaking yah. There it is. Now I think she's dead. She's sitting on VWAP. Now she's dead. Where the hell is my VWAP? Why is it not on my chart? All good questions. There you go, guys. Anybody hold that to the video? Let's do algos first. 3-1 and 3-3. They took one trade, got one target. And 3-2 took two trades. First trade was a winner. Second trade was a loser, down 310. It'll run till noon, so we'll see if it picks it up. And then the 500 tick, as usual, got its daily goal. 500 tick is money. The NASDAQ bot, and now it's going to come down. Use. I'm going for this again, guys.
Order filled. Target filled.
Got targets.
Order canceled.
Hang on, guys. I'm going to come back to this in a second.
Order canceled. Order filled.
All right. Let's redo this. 3-2 now is 3-1 took a second trade, up 140. 3-3 took a second trade, both winners up 410. And 3-2 is now in a trade. So if this gets targets, this is starting to push below VWAP now. This will go green.
Order canceled.
There it is. Come on, keep pushing, baby. So this is the third trade on 3.2.
Order canceled.
There it is, up $600, done for the day, guys. 3 trades, up 600, done for the day. Okay? I'm shutting these off for the day. So we're green across the board. And of course, the original bot on the NASDAQ, I let it take a single trade up 1680. Took one trade, and that was it. Anybody have any questions?